Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys could check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. But this one's a good one, guys. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Coming from Mojawa, this is iP68, suitable for swimming. So if you know any swimmers, you might want to let them know about this. Run Plus Bone Conduction headphones. Bluetooth. You can use your iPhone, Android tablets, whenever you need to listen to music, or you can answer phone calls. Maglev base, open ear design, as you can see there. Run Plus 32G high speed storage, MP3s. Already took it out of the box. So this is what you get. Get the good old manual. And it's really simple to, hook up with the Bluetooth and all that good stuff. Got some warranty stuff. And also you get a nice little design from Mojawa. Really nice drawing. The world is a new way. Oh, feel the world in a new way. They do feel good, I must say. Mojawa. Here we go. You get, I think these are replacement bulbs, or like, not too sure. But that's them. And of course, you get the USB cable. It's magnetic. Got the prongs to charge. I'll show you how to do that in a minute once I get this thing rolling. And of course, you get a travel bag. Take it with you. Keep it in your gym locker or your swimming locker. And like I said, definitely check them out. Click that link down below. Here it is. But yeah, it feels really good. It fits mine. They got titanium bracket. Easy, flexi. See, that's where you put the USB. You just click in here. Bada boom. And then you just plug this thing in your USB, power bank, or wherever you have it. Put this away right now. But yeah, definitely in here, you gotta hold for 2 seconds. And it should be flashing. There you go, Mojawa. You can hit play, pause, answer calls, and stuff like that just by touching one of these. This one you can see it's push right there button. Let me grab my tablet. And once you log into your phone or tablet, that's what's going to come up as Run Plus. I still got enough juice. So that's all hooked up. It's kind of hard to hear the sound through YouTube, but you can take it from me, guys. These sound nice. These were, I believe, like inspected by like top music producers, and they made sure everything sounds good. But I'm gonna put this on my head and let you see how that looks. Alright guys, we got it running. I don't know if you could hear it, but it's right by my mic. So you might be able to. But yeah, these sound nice. Now I'm going to put it over my head and I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, there we go. And now I can show you. See right here? You can pause it, Click, 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 boom. And then over here, you're gonna just turn it up. See the volume? All you gotta do is one swipe. There you go. And just swipe up. And there you go. So, like I said, if you're looking for something new, and especially if you're a swimmer or does outdoor stuff a lot, working out, these are a nice one. iP68 waterproof, backbone, conduction, Mojawa, really nice design. But super lightweight too. You can take this on the road, and there you go. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Mojawa. And like I said, I showed you everything. Charging, simple. And if you get confused, always go back to the manual right here. And it'll show you like different clicks for your MP3 storage and stuff like that if you get confused. Which is really easy. See right there, next track, click 2 times. Previous track, click 3 times. 1 time for the hang up or answer phone calls. So you could be walking and talking to your kids or whoever. And then, like I said, volume, we did that. We showed all that good stuff. The mode shifting, Bluetooth mode, 2 times. Same thing with the local storage, MP3. Hold for 2 seconds. And there you go. So we covered. I showed you how to pair it. That was really easy to do. So it's simple. Run Plus, Backbone, Mojawa. Links down below. Get it now. Be safe. Have a good night.